in this video we are going to see an interesting topic. So the topic is Scratch. Just give in the Google search bar Scratch, so you will get the website in the first itself, scratch.mit.edu. This website is used for kids and all the grown-ups also, because it is a coding software which is used for developing games, and it will be much more interesting for coding, and you can create the animated videos by using Scratch. So let us see what is this Scratch, which is a world's largest free coding community for kids, and it is completely free, and it is developed in high level programming language. So after clicking, so in this taskbar you will see create, explore, ideas and about. So here in the down you are seeing start creating and join, and down we can see the featured videos and about the resource and Scratch family and community. So first let us start creating. Just click the create button. So you are getting a new window in this. First let me close this tutorial. You have free tutorial to learn how to use the Scratch also. So I found the Scratch by my kids book. So it is very interesting because this helps us to create the animation. So here on the left corner, yes, you can see the code bar, and next costumes and next sounds. So let us see one by one each now. So in this code we will see the motion, looks. Motion is nothing but how the object moves, or how it jumps. So the movement can be seen over this motion option. Next looks, next sound, so next events, next control and sensing, operators, variables and my blocks. So what are all this motion? Actually it is used for movement, but here we get the inbuilt codings like we use in the C programming or in Python or in any other programming languages. So for sounds the coding is here already. They have set the codings, but we have to choose the codings which is necessary for our game developing. So the basic tutorial is given at the top center, tutorials which is completely free. Let me show you. So for getting started and how to animate the letters also it is given here. Next make a chase game. So let me just go through this tutorial videos. See, you can give the button option also to move the left and right. So the chasing games also is there here. They have explained it very clearly. Just follow it step by step and you can create your own game. Not only using those same object, you can create it by using the different objects. So the center part is for choosing the codings over here. Just setting the codings over here. You can set the codings here, and in the right side here they have defaultly given the cat object. You can change this object. In this Scratch they are saying this object as sprite. Okay, so here choose sprite. You can choose the sprite over here. Just click the sprite. See, you can see many sprites here, that is many objects. You can choose whatever is necessary for you. Already there is a cat, so let me choose the any cat chasing object. Let me click this chick, so we can have it over here and we can rotate it. Can rotate however you need, and you can resize also with the help of here and X and Y. So next size is here. Let me give 80. You can see the difference of reducing the size. I'll give 70. So the size is reduced, and if we can set the background now, just click the right bottom right, and I'm going to choose this blue sky. So just we can place the object perfectly. So likewise we can set the, we can give move steps, 10 steps, go to random position, we can set it. So likewise we can give the codings from by seeing the tutorial, and we can change the costumes over here. First let me change the costume for cat. Just select the object and costumes. Here you can change the colors also. So let me choose the pink color and fill over here. You can see you can move the object as per your need. Let me give here brush option. Just I'm going to color for tongue. So see, you can see the changes over here. And sounds, so defaultly we have the cat sound also over here. You can make it faster, slower, or louder or softer. So as per your need you can change it over here. So now in the tutorial you will see how to create a small animation video. See, we might find this make it fly game in the Play Store also. Now you can create it by yourself. There are various games also you can create it by using the Scratch. I hope you like this video, but please do, I am saying this in very short, but the animation can be done with the help of the tutorials. Please go through this. I hope you like this video. Do subscribe, share your comments below, and don't forget to press the like button and bell button.